Yo guys, welcome back to the channel. So now we'll be looking into demo of the app. So as you can see, we have this different views of predict and about, and I'll have explained, or I will be explaining about this in the next video, or I've already explained in the previous video, because I don't know where I'll be keeping this particular demo, so be with me. So there are different buttons for prediction and then about. So one is in analyze an image and other one is real time. Analyze will just do nothing but show this loading options or not, and then this many views are for just nothing but for about of showing this Nazar and versions and different other components, and this team specs will just be doing nothing but navigating us to this GitHub RA-/Nazar. And if I take an analyze image and I choose from a gallery, it will just give me an option to look it into different options. It's showing blank because I have put it in laid out version, so I'll be doing nothing but just, so I took an image and just send it to server, and the other way is if I choose from the gallery. Else now we'll be just looking into real-time analysis where I'll just navigate into index. So what it does is it just shows this information about this and flash and derived items and show details, and this is what I was talking about, different animated scroll view for this sliding up panel. So as I've connected into internet and I show this option, as you can see in the background. Now as I had already connected into the internet, it is just waiting for the server, and this it is focusing and just taking an image in 1 second timer. Now we'll also see it in this server right here. So it has already set up this starting process, and these many are just nothing but base64 encoded images, and as you can see, it has sent me back this information, and image size too big is coming because I had already called this as changing constantly, and it has identified this as filament, and these are different options, and I can choose different options right here. And as you can see, the image size was too big, and heroku doesn't allow us to have many responses at a single time, and this server has crashed here. And these are the options, and if I click on here, it will just do nothing but switch the camera, and it is already identified as filament, and right here is the description about the details. So that's it in this playlist session, and I'll see you in the next video.